lost my best friend to 23. She left her body and hovered above me. I saw no shadow, I looked around, searched every building and home that I found. I saw no shadow, but felt the glow. The warmth inside me, it kept me afloat.
Hello and welcome to my channel. So today's makeup look is inspired by the Love Heart Sweets that everybody knows and loves. So I'll start using the Snazaroo Clown White Face Paint, and I apply this basically as a base before going in with any colour. I really recommend having a white base because it just really makes the colours that you put on top of it pop. And as this is a cream base, it doesn't mix in with the colours that I'm going to be putting on top. So as you saw in the intro, I'm doing a rainbow base on my face. So the first colour I use is called Pale Yellow by Snazaroo, and the rest of the colours are by Snazaroo as well. The green is called Lime Green, the blue is called Turquoise, the purple is called Lilac, and lastly the pink is called Fuchsia Pink, again all by Snazaroo. To set them, but also to make them super bright, I go into the Makeup Murder Trace Evidence Paint Chips palette, and I use the corresponding colours in that palette just to brighten up the face paints that I've put on my face. If you were looking at getting anything from Makeup Murder, I do have a discount code with them. It is 10 Brooke Ellis. It is linked in the description box down below, along with a load of other discount codes for a load of other different brands that I've got to help you out if you want to get anything. For highlight on the blue section of my face, I use the Ofra Nikki Tutorials collab highlighter in the shade Space Baby. And then for the yellow side of my face, I use the London Copyright Highlight Palette Volume 1, and I use the shade called Dazzle in that palette as it's a perfect yellow highlight. For the pink section of my face, I use the Ofra Nikki Tutorials collab highlighter in the shade Cloud 9. And for the purple section for highlight, I use the Becca Prismatic Amethyst highlight. I did contour a little bit using a dark blue eyeshadow as well as a dark green eyeshadow for the other half of my face, and then for my lids to prime I use the P. Louise base in the shade 0. I then go into the Huda Beauty Neon Obsessions pink palette, and I use that bright pink eyeshadow and start to place it on my lid. I made sure it completely covered the base so you couldn't really see the bright white coming through, apart from a tiny little bit by the brow where I used it as a highlight. I then go back into that Huda Beauty palette and I use this glitter shimmer at the top, and I place this on my lid. I also add a little bit to the inner corner of my eye and the bottom lash a little bit to add as an inner corner highlight. In this look, I'm also wearing these purple cosplay contact lenses from Topps Face. I do have a discount code with Topps Face. It's just Brooke and it'll get you 10% off. It's linked in the description box again down below. I didn't know I was going to do this to my brows until I'd got this far, so if I was going to do this again I'd probably glue my eyebrows down, but I now decide to do some love hearts on my brows. I get a white face paint to start with and place the hearts where I want them to be, and then I grab my Makeup Murder Forensic eyeliner pen and I use this as a winged eyeliner on my lid. I then go back to the hearts on my eyebrows and I actually use the Fenty Beauty Vivid Liquid Eyeliners. I have them in every shade, I love them so much, and I basically used every single shade that they have, and I went over the white love hearts. Again, the reason I did a white base is so that the colours would really stand out against the colourful base that I already had down. I then line my lips with a nude lip liner before using the Avon Mark liquid lipstick in the shade Pinking About You. I then added a little bit of TKO, again by Mark by Avon, on the outsides and blended it in so it looked like an ombre lip. I then put on this rainbow wig that I got from Eva Hair, and then I put on my headpiece that I made from a different coloured foam and just a red marker. The lashes that I used in this look are by Eldora and they're in the style B808. I think these are one of the coolest pairs of lashes that I own. They are rainbow lashes, if you can see. I'll show you a close-up later on, but they are so beautiful. So this is the final look. Let me know what you think about this look in the comments down below. If you do like it, please make sure to press that like button because it will really help me and my channel out. And if you'd like to see some more crazy makeup looks from me, hit the subscribe button and check out my other videos. You can follow me over on Instagram and TikTok. They are on the screen right now, and both linked in the description box down below. My Instagram is @BrookeEllisMakeup and my TikTok is @Brooke.Ellis_. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
I lost my best friend to 23. She left her body in Harvard above me.